Hey everyone, it's Ryan Chao with Craig Wiggins Coaching, and the date has been set for the Know Your Numbers marketing class, May 23rd. So mark it on your calendars. Again, May 23rd, we're going to show up in Huntsville at Craig Wiggins' office. So I'm going to spend the entire day with you, and we're going to break down a marketing plan, and I'm going to show you how to build one that facilitates predictable growth and that is absolutely scalable. All right. I'm going to teach you the best marketing strategies that will support your marketing plan. I'm going to show you how to set a marketing plan based on your agency culture so there's 100% buy-in. And best of all, I'm going to show you the tools that I use and the processes that I put in place to hold your marketing plan accountable. And I'm also going to show you the processes I use to hold my sales agents accountable to make sure that I'm getting the ROI I need that I predicted based on the marketing spend that I put out there. Guys, I'm going to show you how to fearlessly create and execute a marketing plan that's going to help you crush your agency goals. So join me. There's only 12 spots. So sign up. I'll see you there for the entire day. We'll get it done.